Solution Cloud, leading the way in fire-resistant and control and communication cables in Pakistan. Founded in 2015, Solution Cloud with an aim to become the market leader in providing fire-resistant and control and communication cables in Pakistan. Over the years, we have catered to the needs of over 200 clients across the country. Today, Solution Cloud is a renowned name in the industrial, electrical, and electronic cabling sectors. We operate from 2 offices in Karachi, supported by a dedicated warehouse to ensure the efficient service and availability of our products. At Solution Cloud, we are honored to be authorized distributors of Prysmian and Belden cables in Pakistan. Stock is available of all our Prysmian and Belden products at Solution Cloud. Contact us today at info@solutioncloud.pk and also visit our website www.solutioncloud.pk. Thank you.